Dear student class 7, uh, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 1 Liberation Movement of Bangladesh, lesson 7 and 8. Disparity between East and West Pakistan. Since the birth of Pakistan, West Pakistan rulers could never think of the Bengalis as their own people. Actually, they are not they are not want to accept the people of Bengali is their people. Instead of freedom and independence, Bengalis got all the discrimination, a new foreign rulers in place of the British. The relation between the two wings was that of an exploiter and the exploited class. We become the exploited. The huge disparity and discrimination between the inhabitants of the two wings of Pakistan was visible in every strata of life, like politics, administration, military, economy, education, culture. This was deliberate attempt to keep the Bengalis dominated, but the Bengalis demonstrated their discontent about the through various ways. Finally, they created a new country, Bangladesh, through the word of liberation. Political disparity. The Bengalis were politically discriminated again in the newly created Pakistan. At first, they were exploited by the British, and British rules. When British rule was ended, then the other exploiter become they are the West Pakistanis. And although the Bengalis were majority, Karachi of West Pakistan was selected as the first capital instead of Dhaka. They select Karachi for the capital of West Pakistan. The West Pakistanis were automatic choice in all positions, including governor general, prime minister, member of cabinet, to different administrative posts. Look, poster of discrimination between East and West Pakistan. Among the 211 ministries in the central cabinet during the period of 194-7 to 71, only 95 of them were Bengalis. Among the 62 ministers during Ayub regime, only 22 were Bengalis. Again, these Bengali ministers were never allotted important portfolios. The Ayub regime regularly awarded imprisonment and financial penalties with a view to disqualifying in election by means of martial law orders and ordinance. This was done in order to suppress Bengali politicians. They even went up to the extent of conspiracy to hang Bangabandhu among 35 others, filling the historic Agartala case. They actually made a excuse and they filed a case, historic Agartala case, and accused Bangabandhu along with 35 others in 1969. And although the Awami League won the election of 1970, they were never invited to form government. The transformed the demand of autonomy in United Pakistan into the demand for complete freedom of Bengal. Disparity in administration. Most of the qualified people in a new and developing country generally want to join the government service as profession. If the country put some kind of obstacle to that or create some discrimination, that is a violation of fundamental human rights. Constitution also award this right to choose own profession. Despite having qualification, Bengalis were always deprived of joining appropriate higher administrative post. The West Pakistanis used to appoint their own people in key position and in larger number so that they could control Pakistan. Majority in the government service hailed from West Pakistan, although Bengalis had larger population. The top level appointments in key ministries like defense, foreign affairs were traditionally out of reach for East Pakistanis. Bengalis constitute only 23% of class 1 job holder. The same discrimination was also ever present in appointment to banks, railway, corporation and other government controlled office. Disparity in defense forces. Discrimination was ever present phenomena in army, navy, air force too. The three headquarters of Pakistan Defence Force and Ordnance Factory were situated in West Pakistan. Only 5% of the officers in defence forces were Bengalis. Only 4% personnel of the army were Bengalis. What is the percentage of officers are in the defence force in 19 in 1970? 55%. Again, only 40%, 4% personnel of the army were Bengalis. What is the percentage of army are there in the Pakistan regime? 4%. Though the Navy and Air Force saw apparently higher recruitment, the number was still scanty. 60% of total budget of Pakistan was allotted to defense. Maximum portion of it was expended in West Pakistan. What percentage of total budget was allotted to West Pakistan? 60%. Promotion was discriminatory. That is why the 6-point proposed by Awami League considered the defense affairs with due seriousness because of the negligent attitude of the central government. The border of the East Pakistan laid unprotected. This insecurity was the best reflected in India-Pakistan War of 1965. Disparity in economy. The central government was the supreme authority of power in Pakistan. Head offices of all banks, including the central bank, insurance, commercial, industrial enterprise, were situated in West Pakistan. Though the lion's share of earned foreign exchange of Pakistan was to the credit of East Pakistan, she never got more than 21% of its share. 34% of foreign aid was allotted to the only 34% foreign aid was allotted to East Pakistan. But you see, the lion's share of earned foreign exchange of Pakistan was to credit of East Pakistan. However, Bengalis was forced to carry the burden of foreign loans. It was very pathetic to Bengali. Only 31% of whatever was imported from abroad was allotted to Pakistan, East Pakistan. Look, here is a symbolic poster of economic disparity. Uh, its experience insignificant progress due to the negligence in allocation of resource. On the contrary, West Pakistan was developed by the means of our money, and significant amount of resource were smuggled out of East Pakistan to West of Pakistan. Look, this poster showed the cow eating the grasses of East Pakistan, and they West Pakistanis collect the milk. It's one kind of disparity. Look, 2000 million $2,000 million of the export-oriented income from the East were transferred to West Pakistan. A symbolic poster of that time is presented above to portray the disparity. A cow is grazing in East Pakistan while a person from West Pakistan is milking that cow. It means production take place in East Pakistan while the profit is enjoyed by West Pakistan. It is important for your CQ. Look, culture. What is culture? Actually, MacIver said, culture is what we are. Cultural discrimination. There had been deliberate attempts by the Pakistani rulers to suppress Bangla language, literature, culture right from the birth of Pakistan. In 1948, they wanted to impose Urdu as the only state language. The Bengalis had to sacrifice some valuable lives to establish the right of our mother tongue in 1952. Though the Constitution of 1956 recognized Bangla as the second state language, when did the Constitution recognize Bangla as the second language? On which year? 1956. They changed the name of East Bengal into East Pakistan at that period. There were attempts to write Bangla in Roman alphabet. It is very pathetic to the East Bengalis. There were endless restrictions over movies, plays, newspaper, book, publish, broadcasting, Rabindra Sangeet, or radio and television, and observance of Bangla New Year were forbidden. Actually, they wanted to say Rabindra Sangeet and Nazrul Giti, one kind of Hinduism. Thus, numerous means there were used to hurt the culture status of Bengalis. Reactions against discrimination. The Bengalis are fighters. They protest against injustice during the Mughal and British period. Silence toward the discrimination of Pakistan rurals was never in their mind. The language movement of the initiation of anti-Pakistan agitation. Although for a brief period, the Bengalis had their first taste of power when they formed government, defeating Muslim League in 1954. The student agitation against the Sharif Commission began the movement against martial law government of Ayub Khan. Literary conference and cultural movement in the 60s were the staging ground for anti-Ayub agitation. A cultural renaissance occurred all over the country, including Dhaka, Chittagong, during the celebration Vishwa Kavi Rabindranath Thakur's birthday on which year the celebration is happened in 1961. The cultural movement were further stimulated with the birth of uh, Chayanta in the same year. Chayanata in the same year. It's a cultural organization, Chayanat. This cultural outfit regularly organized various cultural events and celebration of different festivals. This trend towards cultural autonomy continued throughout 60s. In 1966, the six-point proposal was a plan to get rid of all discrimination attempt to run their own country. When the government rejected the rightful demand of the Bengalis, they started 6-point and 11-point movement. The mass uprising forced the government to withdraw historic Agartala case, and in 1969 the mass uprising occurred, and the government compelled to withdraw historic Agartala case, state versus Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and others, and Ayub Khan to resign from his presidency. The Awami League, under the leadership of Bangabandhu, won absolute majority in the general election of 1970. This victory was indeed a huge step towards the goal of our independence. But the Pakistani rulers started hatching conspiracy to delay the two type of election held in 1970, National Assembly election and provincial election, and Awami League got majority seat. The Pakistani rulers, when they win all the seat, and Pakistani rulers started hatching conspiracy to delay the transfer of power to the Bengalis and playing different games. On 25 March, occupation force and midnight at March 25, 1971, 70 at midnight, the Pakistani military occupation forces launched a sudden attack on the unarmed Bengalis and started genocide. They attacked Rajar Bagh police line. News of the attack was telecast from police lines fax. Bangabandhu was arrested on the same night. Bangabandhu could declare the independence of Bangladesh before his arrest on that night. The liberation war started finally with the victory on 16 December 1971. Bengalis gave their answer to 24 years of actually Bengali attached with Pakistan. Bengali exploited 24 years by the Pakistani rulers, and 24 years of exploitation and discrimination by the Pakistani rulers. As a result, Bangladesh emerged as an independent and sovereign country in the world in exchange of blood of 30 lakh martyrs. So actually here describe all the discrimination of East Pakistanis by the West Pakistanis, and it is very important for your CQ. Read more and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.